Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitpanda. Okay, first you need to ensure that your account is verified and funded. If not already done, just go ahead and complete your KYC, ID scan or selfie video by clicking on add details and click verification, click on profile, click verify now and follow the prompts to verify. Then deposit fiat into your wallet first. How do you do that? Go ahead and tap on the trade icon at the bottom center of your screen and select deposit. Ensure that you need to verify to pass this stage. Once you tap deposit, select your currency, EUR, USD, CHF, and choose a payment method, example SEPA card. Enter the amount, minimum of 25 euros, confirm and wait for funds to arrive. Then let's navigate to the buy Bitcoin section. So from the bottom, after you've deposited and they have sufficient amount, from the bottom bar, go ahead and tap on the trade button and select buy. So once you select buy, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see your asset list. Now in the asset list or search bar, type Bitcoin or BTC and tap it to continue. Ensure you select the fiat wallet you funded like EUR or CHF to pay for BTC. Then enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy. You can purchase fractions like minimum €1, meaning no need to buy a whole BTC. Then once you're done, go ahead and tap continue or tap go to summary. Then review the key details. BTC, including the BTC amount you receive, total price including fees, SaaS wallet and payment breakdown. And once you're done, you need to agree to terms and tap buy now. Once you tap the buy now button, depending on payment method, you may need to confirm via SMS or PIN or similar. SMS PIN or similar. Now, after confirmation, your BTC will instantly appear in your Bitcoin wallet. Check your BTC balance on the portfolio and on the Bitcoin. Use the app's features to monitor price, set alerts, swap, or withdraw BTC elsewhere. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.